On guys, welcome to the channel. If you're new here, remember to like, subscribe and share our videos. We are currently in Bombay and we're checking out Carter Road. This place is known for a couple of things. It's known for its shawarmas, it's known for its egg waffles, known for its juices. We're going to check it out, see what it has to offer, and we want you to come along. So we're currently at Carter Blue, which is known for its shawarma and its kati rolls. We've got a chicken shawarma. We're just going to try it out. It looks really creamy and juicy. Let's just go and take a bite. Oh wow. There's definitely a lot of mayo, but the chicken is nice and tender, lots of spices, and it's also got like some cabbage and some pickled beetroot. That's really nice. They also offer you like chilies and stuff like that in there, so you can just throw into the shawarma. At Shahi Darbar, which is known for its faloodas, kulfis. We're just going to try out the royal falooda and see how it is. It comes with ice cream, so it's really good, and there aren't too many nuts and stuff like that. So if you're getting the malai kulfi falooda, I think that's a little bit better, but we just got this simple one. Oh, it does come with nuts. So we're currently at Wow Momo, which is a chain restaurant. They're known for their momos and their thukpa soup. It's typically a Northeastern preparation. We got the tandoori momos with chicken. It's a batch of 6 momos. They look really good. They're stuffed with chicken, peppers, onions, basically anything you would see on a tandoori chicken. Oh wow. It's really good, really hot. And we ordered the thukpa as well, which is a typical Northeastern soup. The tandoori momos are really spicy, but the fillings are really prominent and really stuffed to the brim. Super spicy, but it's really good. So we tried the thukpa, which is full of vegetables and chicken and noodles. It tastes very much like a chicken soup, but a little more spice. Really enjoyable and definitely recommended.
So we are at Budapest Bakehouse. It's one of the dessert places here on Carter Road. I've got myself a chimney cone, and it's their mochaccino chimney cone. So it's essentially it's one of their chimney cones that's dunked in chocolate, and you've got chocolate kind of like a sorbet in the middle. You've also got I think there's cheesecake on the inside, and he put in a layer of chocolate and Nutella. And then if you look on here, it's got like a mix of coffee and chocolate. I'm just going to go ahead and try it out because it's melting pretty quickly. It's good. If I wasn't so stuffed from all the food we ate this far, I'd really enjoy it, but it is really good. So we are just heading back. We're finishing dessert. It's been a wonderful afternoon here trying out all of the street food at Carter Road. We hope you'll join us. Don't forget to follow us on Instagram. We'll leave the link down below, and subscribe if you aren't subscribed already. We'll see you in the next video.